Upon our arrival at Edinburgh International Airport, our first task is to get to the city. Our destination is Princes Street. This airport is very small. It makes finding the correct mode of transportation so much easier. Walking out of the airport, the three modes of transportation appears just right in front: bus, taxi, and tram. They are all there waiting for you. There are three ways to get there. The first is by taxi. A taxi to the city would cost a whopping US $35. That probably explains why most tourists go for the tram and bus. For me, taxi is always my last choice, as I find more security comfort taking a public transport in train and buses. I see most people go for the tram or bus. The second way is to take the Airlink 100 bus, or Bright bus. The third way is to go to the city by tram. As we already have planned to take the bus back to this airport 2 days later, so we skip the Airlink bus for now. The idea of taking the tram also aroused our curiosity, so we decided to go for it. We go directly for the tram. In actual fact, the time taken for the bus and tram to reach the city is about the same, 30 minutes, depending on location. It seems that our choice is correct, as the queue for the tram is as long as the one with the Airlink bus. Getting the tram ticket from the automated machine is easy. There is option to choose from just the tram tickets or a combination of tram and bus. I opted to buy one at a time. Simply select the destination. In my case, I choose Princes Street. The cost is $7.50 per person. Getting a return ticket costs just £9.50, so much cheaper. Seat selection is not needed. But, as we already decided to come to the airport by bus, we opted for a one-way tram ticket. Payment can be done through PayWave or using the U-Trip card. Time slot selection is also not needed, since the tram frequency is about every 7 minutes between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m., and every 10 minutes early in the morning and later in the evening. So there is no need to rush for the tram, since there is always a train waiting for you in the next 7 to 10 minutes. I observed that most of the passengers are tourists. It was near to 6 p.m. then. An inspected came soon to check the tickets. On average, there is a stop every 2 to 3 minutes along the way. The tram is rather quiet despite moving at high speed. We enjoyed the comfortable seat and the smooth ride. It took the tram about 30 minutes to reach Princess Street, almost the same time a bus will take. In fact, I was a little surprised that before I knew it, the tram had already brought me to Princess Street. That's fast. Thank you for watching.